back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make golden pineapple fried rice. So let's get into the kitchen right now. So let's start by cutting up some green onions, garlic, and ginger. Be careful when doing the small cuts. A few months ago, I was cutting up the ginger and I accidentally cut the tip of my finger off. It wasn't fun at all. Okay, next let's see what else do we need. Like we need soy sauce, we need salt, we need coconut oil, we need white pepper, we need pineapple, peas, eggs, and green onion, ginger, garlic, of course, and the rice. Next, we'll be mixing the leftover rice with egg yolk. What's going on with me today?
You're nervous. What's wrong with you?
Okay, this part is very important. In order to have a really fluffy fried rice, you have to mix the egg yolk with the leftover rice really well. Okay, now put some coconut oil. I love to use coconut oil because it brings the flavor out, the coconut flavor. Then let's put some egg white. And then followed by the green onions, ginger, and garlic. So we can add the rice right now. So make sure that you fry it, don't press it. If not, you cannot have a fluffy rice. So then we can add the peas and the yummy pineapple, or you can add carrots, anything you like. A little bit of salt, some white pepper, and then soy sauce. Look so beautiful. So make sure you taste before you serve. A little bit more salt. Okay, it's ready. So this is my golden pineapple fried rice. I hope you guys will like it. I will put the ingredient in the description box. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up too. See you next time. Bye. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up too. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.